Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Is your external hard drive not showing up on your Mac? Whether you are using WD, Samsung, SanDisk or any external hard drive, this issue can be frustrating, especially if important files are stored on it. In this video, I will show you several proven solutions to fix an external hard drive that is not appearing on your Mac. Let's get started. The first thing to check is the connection. Disconnect the external hard drive and reconnect it firmly. Now you are seeing the disk you attached was not readable by this computer. Now what I have to do, just click on initialize. Okay, if you are using a USB hub, try connecting the drive directly to your Mac. You should also try a different USB port if current port is not working, a different USB-C adapter or dongle, a different cable. Many times a faulty cable is the real cause of the problem. If possible, connect the drive to another computer to confirm whether the drive itself is working or not. Now let's come to fix 2. Enable external drive in Finder. Here's how to check. Click on Finder. Now you can see on the sidebar locations. You can see here the drives, but there is no hard drive which I have connected. Now what I have to do, click on settings from the top menu. Preferences. Under the general tab, go on the general tab. You can see here external disks. Enable it first. Just enable it. Now let's come to fix 3. Check disk utility. Disk utility can detect drives even when Finder cannot. Open Spotlight search, press Command plus spacebar, search for disk utility, then press enter. Just see your drive from the left sidebar. If it is grayed out, as you can see, select the drive. Now click on the mount. You can see here mount at the top. Click mount at the top. Could not mount. Apple disk, enter error. Click on OK. Wait a second and see if it appears on your desktop or in Finder, but it does not in my case. Okay, now let's come to fix number 4, first aid. You can see here first aid. Select the drive first and then click on first aid. Now you can see here run first aid. Okay, just click on run. It is running. Mac will scan the drive and attempt to repair file system errors. Once the process is complete, reconnect the drive and test it again. On done if it is completed. Now fix number 5. System information. Let's see if macOS detects the hardware or not. Click on the Apple menu, hold the Option key. Now select System Information. Now click the USB in the left panel. You can see here under Hardware, USB. Look for your external drive in the list. If the drive appears here but not in Finder, the issue is likely software related. If it does not appear at all, the cable adapter port or drive itself may be faulty. Step 6 is restart your Mac. Sometimes macOS fails to initialize external storage drive correctly. A simple restart can refresh system services and restore drive detection. Save your work and restart your Mac. As you can see, after rebooting and reconnecting the hard drive, it is showing on my desktop. You can see here, and you can locate also your hard drive from the Finder. You can see here the hard drive. So these are the fixes you can use to enable your hard drive if it is not showing on your Mac after connecting it. And there is another fix is update macOS. Software bugs can sometimes cause external drive issues. To update macOS, open your system settings, go on about this Mac. Now you can see here software update. Click on software update. Now from here you can see if there is any updation, click on update and get the latest version of your macOS. And another fix is check file system compatibility. Not every drive format is fully compatible with your macOS. Common formats, let's know their formats first. Open disk utility. Okay, now let's check the formats. Click on erase and you can see here the formats. Okay, macOS extended journal. Okay, macOS extended case sensitive journal, Mac DOS, FAT, exFAT. Mac can read NTFS drives but cannot write to them without additional software. If the drive was supported for Windows, compatibility issues may occur. Be careful not to erase the drive, it contains the important data. And the another fix is recover data before formatting. If the drive is corrupted and inaccessible, consider recovering your data first. You can use data recovery software. For that, after recovering your files, you may need to erase and reformat the drive using disk utility. From here, click on erase and just select the format and then click on erase. That's how you can erase your hard drive. Remember, formatting will erase all data on the drive, so it is very important to take a backup first. And that's it. If your external hard drive is not showing up on Mac, start with this simple fixes like checking cables, enabling external disk in Finder, and using disk utility. In most cases, one of these methods will solve the problem definitely. If the guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.